My knowledge before I attended the seminar was, I would say beginner, because I had learned, I had actually traded at one point, but with disastrous results. Like Marcus says, if you haven't made any money on the stock markets, then you're a beginner, and that's what I was, a beginner, equipped with the wrong information. When you trade, you must have a strategy, plan. You must know what you're doing, where you're going, and plan your way to success. For those who are thinking of coming to the seminar, it is well worth. If you have no knowledge of the stock markets, if you've had dismal lack of success like I did, this is the seminar to go to, because just being in that seminar equips you with a lot of information which you probably wouldn't have had before you came to the seminar. From listening to Marcus today, and even watching some of the videos, the first impression I got about Marcus when I listened to him was that he was quite genuine, and you do not get a lot of people who are willing to teach people on sort of like on a very one-to-one level, on a very close level. The team were very organized, because even prior to coming to the seminar, I had phone calls, I had emails, I was being looked after even before I'd even actually attended the seminar. So that was the good thing about it all, and left me with a very good feeling about the whole organization or the whole team.